Hey guys, Penguin Tech here. Today we are going to be unboxing AirPods Pro, so let's get right into it. Okay, here we go. These are the AirPods Pro. These are brand new, and we're going to unbox them today. We'll put that to the side for now, and we're gonna look at this. So here is the little manual with like instructions on how to pair to your phone. A bunch of paperwork. Wait, does it come with any stickers? Okay, so now something else here. There's a charging cable, which is USB-C to Lightning. To the side, there's this little case here. Oh, there's something else in here too. So it comes with a set of extra ear tips, because what's good about the AirPods Pro is the regular AirPods, there wasn't any silicone on them. So if they didn't fit in your ears, they just didn't fit in your ears. So there wasn't any silicone tips that came with them. So this year, they do. So let's unbox this. Okay, this side, and here we go. Here they are. So here at the bottom, you have the USB-C to charge this. Apparently these are the best hinges on any of the AirPods yet, so that'll be cool. There they are. Oh, look, it's lighting up. So let's take these out. They are very much smaller than last year. So this is a very nice latch. We're gonna put that to the side for now and focus mainly on this. So these are very nice. So the controls are, see on the side here, you squeeze to like pause, play, and you can also turn noise canceling on and off, which is a very cool feature. So these things, ear tips, I don't know how you would take those off. I think there's a little thing under there, you just pull it off, because here they have things there too. So here on the side you have the little things there, the Bluetooth, and then the speakers. So that's pretty much it for now. I will see you next time.